shit! Oh, shit! Ah! Oh, go get him, brothers! Oh, shit! Dude, turn the game on. Let's go. We're right fucking here. Dude, we got a 4-box burst through blaze. I need help with an address. I need help with an Addy. All right. Oh shit, we're right behind 5 truck. Here we go, boys. Turn it up. Oh, dude. Oh, it's bullshit. 4410 Marble Hall Road. Oh, shit, dude. Come on, man, drive. You putting it in the Navy?
Just for...
Literally, we were just around the fucking corner, man. It's probably bullshit. It's probably a pot of food. But let's see if we can get first due.
It's literally right there.
Where was it, off the Alameda?
Cold Spring on the Alameda.
Oh, Jesus Christ. We're stuck in a fucking funeral procession. Are you kidding me? What is this? Come on, man. Oh,
Fuck it.
I don't know that this one's worth it, boys. Well, I'm not gonna lie. I think we're just gonna monitor and go in service. I don't know that this one's worth it. It's probably a pot of food, but we'll continue on, see if we can catch it. Oh, maybe we'll see 27 engine. They'll probably go up and around though. They'll probably go all the way up. They'll probably go out. What's that? Parkside Drive. I don't know, man. Should we just go in service?
Easy side, guys. I don't know, man.
Fucking. Yeah, you're right. East side. You know what though, dude? If it is a blaze, I got my fucking Go Get 'em Brothers t-shirt on, dude. I'm gonna buff. Someone's gonna buff me, buffing in my new fucking t-shirt, dude. I can't fucking wait. This is gonna be fucking amazing. I hope it's a blaze. I mean, I don't hope it's a blaze because I'm sure some asshole out there is like, oh my god, you want fires? It's somebody's house. But I'm just trying to buff some shit, man. Trying to see some fire trucks, some firemen, some fucking fire doing their fucking job.
Watch the, there's a fucking camera up here. You gotta get around this fucking limit, man.
Dude, I'm trying, man.
You got to get around.
I can't drive and buff at the same time. It's a little difficult.
Yeah, please.
Oh shit, we got some police. Come on, man. Let me through. Excuse me, beep beep. Dude, pick a fucking lane, man. Seriously? Is it seriously? Jesus fucking Christ! Oh, dude, look, we got a first due medic blaze. Oh man, what we got going on here? Oh shit! All right, you still got the game on?
Yeah, it's just all quiet, man.
All quiet on the Western Front. Dude, we got some. Oh shit! Wrong button.
Dispatcher.
Wrong button. Teddy Heimbuck dropping the ball. All right, where are we going? Cold Spring?
Just straight up, all the way up.
Oh, keep an eye for speed cameras. All right, boys. Monitoring the speed. Oh shit! I don't know who else we're gonna see. That's not a speed camera.
No, there's one right over.
Fucking city, stupid liberal city, and all their goddamn speed cameras. Can't get anywhere fast.
Right up there.
Alright. What are we, about a mile out?
Actually, fuck. Probably should have took Lock Raven.
Jesus
Oh, no, you're
fucking
good.
Christ,
Wait.
man.
Was that Lock Raven?
Yeah, it was Lock Raven. You had to stay to the right. We're on the Alameda. We need to go to Lock Raven?
No, just take this up to 43rd.
God damn it. Spread your wings. Watch out. Beep, beep. Oh, 27 engines scored out right here.
Nah, they're coming in off of Lock Raven.
Oh. Dude, I need to get a camera mount. Dude, 5 truck was fucking first, man. That could have been us.
That's impressive.
That could have fucking been us. Nothing showing. Fuck this. We're going in service. I think we're done.
It's been a real. Grab a t-shirt.
Let's Well, maybe the next blaze I can buff in my new t-shirt.